Hello, 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 guys, and welcome to my channel. It is hours away from Christmas 2020. And, guys, if you're new to me, my name is Georgette, and welcome to my channel. And my channel, guys, is all about inspiring you. And I strive to motivate you, and then in doing so, you tend to be transformed, yeah? Because I have truly transformed my life and I've let go of limiting beliefs, and now I have implanted powerful beliefs, and that's what I'm sharing with you guys on my channel. So I hope you do enjoy this video and come back for more. So, guys, it's the countdown for Christmas 2020. I think it's almost 9 o'clock, and what a year it has been. But how have you grown in 2020? And that's the question for all of us as we look back at 2020. There are a lot of persons that's gonna complain about 2020. And then on the flip side, there are a lot of persons that's gonna say 2020 was their best year ever. But yet, we all reside in the same universe, in the world at large. But some person have excelled above and beyond. And that's a choice that you make. That's in your daily habits. Yes, I've learned that because I too have excelled in 2020. I can tell you, I am not the same person I was in 2020, in 2019. Not at all. And so, guys, it's not going to be a long video. I just come to spread love. I come to spread joy and happiness, and it's almost Christmas. And I can tell you guys, I've made a choice to enjoy my life. I've made a choice to be happy in spite of whatever is going on in my life. It's a choice, guys, that you make to spread love, to spread joy. As it's Christmas Eve, are you spreading joy? Are you calling up an old friend you haven't seen or heard from in a long time and just wishing them well? Are you calling up family members? Are you just spreading joy? At this time, a lot of persons are sad, and that's a choice that they have made in their lives. But if you can be a light, when you turn all the lights off and it's dark, if you can be a little light shining in the dark areas for other persons, and that means an encouraging word, a phone call just to encourage and to uplift someone. If you have cooked, just to share and give someone a plate of your meal. If you're passing a homeless person and you give them $1 or $2, there's so many ways you can spread joy this holiday season and beyond, because it's not about just the holiday season, guys. It's about your habits. Do you share? Do you think of others? Because I can tell you this much, my mentor taught me this, that service leads to greatness. How are you serving others? And then I did a video the other day, guys. I don't know if you guys saw it, but if you haven't seen it, go ahead and watch it. And I talk about your purpose and your passion. And I believe I spoke about that your purpose is not a purpose unless it is a purpose, unless you serve a purpose in the world. And so you may have a gift or a talent, but it's not a purpose if you are not serving others. Yeah, that's a purpose. That is when you know that that's your purpose. When you see that you're changing others' lives through song, through poetry, through speaking, through art, whatever it is that you do, your passion is not a purpose unless you're serving others. And so I say to you guys, serve others, because service leads to greatness. And at this holiday time, it's Christmas Eve, hours away from Christmas 2020. How are you spreading joy and love to others today? You know, every person that I come into contact with, I make sure I leave them smiling. Yes, my neighbor came by yesterday and I had him and his wife. They were cracking up at the door. They came for 2 minutes. I had them there for minutes talking and laughing. And, you know, they say, boy, Georgia, you're something else. As they were leaving, they were just smiling. And that's a gift from God that I tap into, that I want to spread joy. When you watch my videos, you feel inspired and motivated. Yes, full of energy, full of life. You know, guys, and so as the holidays, it's Christmas Eve, and Christmas is hours away, guys. I say to you that everything in your life may not be working. Everything may not be coming together. But I say to you, it's a choice that you make to be happy or sad. Yes, because to be happy or sad, it's a state, and I have to learn that. When things are not happening, like today, like this last evening, my daughter was denied entry coming home because she took the COVID test and we were at the window was closed. It has to be 7 days. And we missed it by a couple of hours. She came in today. But they denied her travel visa. And that could have gone left for both of us. We could have been sad. We could have been crying. But with my inner work, and I portray that to her, and she feeds from my energy. And I could tell that she wasn't down at all. All she was like, Mommy, okay, Mommy, deal with it. I want to go to sleep. You know, I want to get some rest. And she wasn't worried at all. And after I got off the phone with her, I'm like, wow, my energy truly, she is truly feeding from my energy, because some other people would say, Mommy, guess what? They denied me. And she didn't do that. And as we hung up last night, I said, wow, she's so calm and at peace. You know, so it's a choice that we make, that when things are breaking down around us, we make a choice to be sad or to be happy. When you are happy, you attract those events to you. And I went through a lot of stuff. I had to email the Minister of Health and all of the people that are connected in the Senate. I had to do a lot of stuff. And I did not feel concerned. Concerned, maybe, but I was not worried. Yeah. So concern is a good word. I was concerned that it's Christmas Eve, and here it is, my baby girl needs to get home to her mama, and she was denied entry in her country, right? And so, but it's a choice that you make, guys. And I had to do a lot of stuff. I called the hotline. They told me to email the minister. They don't know if he'll open the email, but I met a lovely lady. She said she would make sure that she would reach out to one of the persons. She told me to CC the health visa.com and to also copy a lot of the other ministers. She said someone will open it. And this morning I woke up at 9:39. I saw an email. I woke up earlier, but when I opened my email at 9:39, the minister emailed me back that they would work on a letter for her to enter her home, even though her COVID test, it was like a couple of hours. She was out of the window, 7 days, and she missed it yesterday. And so, guys, it's a choice that we make to be happy or to be sad, because you have to put yourself in a state. You have to put your hand under your chin and worry, or you can just put a smile on your face and play some music and raise your vibration. So as the holidays are here, guys, everything in your life may not be working 100%. I say to you, make a choice right now and to choose joy, to choose happiness, to choose laughter, because you have life. Yeah? Christmas is one day, guys. Christmas will be here in the next, 3 hours? It's 9 o'clock. Christmas will be here in 3 hours. And after that, you have the rest of your life. We put so much weight on this one day Christmas. If you don't have the money to buy the gifts, then give love. Give your family members love. Call them up and give them love and joy. Put a smile on their faces. Yeah? And so, guys, I just stop in here real quick just to send you love and light because everything may not be working well. But I come on every day and I smile and I laugh because life happens to all of us. Like I gave you the example just now. My daughter was denied entry home. And I had to go through a whole lot of stuff to get her home. Up until the flight was ready to take off, she was the last person. The minister emailed and the airline had to wait for that email. She was the last person to board. But here she is home. And throughout it all, I was not sad at all. I visualized my baby coming home and me greeting her at the airport. And she's home. So guys, it's all about you making a choice in your life. With everything breaking down, you make a choice to be happy or sad. You make a choice to raise your vibration or not. Because whatever you are, that's what you're going to attract. So guys, it's your girl Georgette. And if you're new to my channel, guys, this is the time to subscribe. I ask you please to subscribe to my channel and turn your notifications on. Yes, guys. Also, I give you permission to share the video. There are other people that are going through a hard time and may not know how to change their state. I have learned how to change my state. I'm going to leave the link to that program. I didn't know one time ago how to change my state. That life happens. And if you go in the mode of concern or worry for a minute, you got to learn how to change your state immediately. Because if you're going to stay in the state of worry all day long, what happens? You're going to attract to you more things for you to worry about. And that's what I've learned on my journey. So you can click the link below, and there's a lot of information. I mean, great information that I have never heard of before that will guide you of how to change your state, how the mind works, how to attract whatever it is that you desire in your life as 2021 is upon us. So guys, I wish you a very, very Merry Christmas. And I love you and I send you love and light. Please keep watching. I have videos popping up. Bye-bye. Sending you love. Mwah!